Hello everybody and welcome back. Welcome back. We're still looking at the 2007 Cayley. We've moved on down to question 18. If you haven't given this a try, I do encourage you to pause the video and try it out, question 18, for yourself. You done that? Okay, good. Let's get into it. There are a certain number of red balls, green balls, and blue balls in a bag. Of the balls in the bag, 1/3 are red and 2/7 are blue. Okay. Fractions, that's fine. I could probably figure out the fraction of green balls there are. The number of green balls, now they're telling me, in the bag is 8 less than twice the number of blue balls. Okay. The number of green balls in the bag is. So we're looking for the number of green balls. I'm going to give that a name. In fact, how about we say R is the number of red balls. G, the answer that we're looking for, is the number of green. And B will be the number of blue balls. Okay. Now what can we do here? So the number of green is 8 less than twice the number of blue balls. So we get this equation here. That's not so bad. What else were we told? We were told some fractions. Okay. I'm going to let T be the total number of balls. I don't know how many balls there are, but I can give a name to it. And now I know R is 1/3 T. It was 1/3, right? Yeah, 1/3 are red, 2/7 are blue. And now I can figure out green, because green, if I rearrange this equation here, green is just what's left over when I take the total and subtract off the number of red and the number of blue. But I can write this purely in terms of T. And now I'm going to get a common denominator. I'll get 21T out of 21 minus 7T out of 21 minus, multiply top and bottom by 3, so 6T out of 21. And 21 minus 7 is 14, minus 6 is 8. So the number of green balls is 8/21 of T. Okay, now let's add both of these facts to this equation right here. So 8/21 T is twice 2/3. Started writing, not 2/3, 2/7. Minus 8. So what can we do? Well, let's get a common denominator. And we'll move the 8 over here and move this guy over here. So 8 is 12/21 T minus 8/21 T. So 8 is 4/21 T. Well, divide both sides by 4, multiply by 21. We're going to get T is 42. And so G, we know, is 8/21 times T. So that's going to be 8/21 of 42. A whole bunch of things cancel, and we are left with a final answer. We'll just squeeze it in there, of 16. So there's 16 green balls. How many red balls are there? There's going to be 14 of those. And blue balls, that'll be 12 of those. Right, 42 divided by 7 is 6, times 2 is 12. 12 plus 14 plus 16 is 42, so that all makes sense. I'm confident in my answer, and we're going to give B. That's what we're going to bubble in. Not to be confused with our B being the number of blue. B is also our final answer. That's what we would bubble in. Okay. So that takes care of question 18. Next up is going to be question number 19. Feel free to jump ahead and take a look at that video. Do your best to try these questions out. Practice makes perfect. I know I sound like a broken record, but I will see you guys in the next video for question 19.